Get into a car with value. 2020 Land Rover Defender. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Be eager for the next adventure in this iconic Land Rover Defender, the premium go-anywhere vehicle that's purposeful, durable, immensely capable, and indulges you with luxurious, modern, utilitarian chic comforts and conveniences. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, navigation system, sun, moonroof, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, premium sound system, power passenger seat, fog lamps, heated front seat, tire pressure monitoring system. Explore your world boldly and beautifully in this distinctive Land Rover Defender. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.